I am back with another wig review. If you are a new viewer, hey, what's up? Welcome to the fam. I hope you'll click that subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, what's up? So I am back with another wig review, and the wig that I'm rocking on my head right now is the Sensationnel textured half wig from their new Curls, Kinks & Co. line. So this unit is called Rule Breaker, and I have it in the color 1. And you guys can see, like, I'm already like hyped about this wig. This unit is like, she's summertime, coconut oil smelling. Like, this unit is bomb. But anyway, I digress. So here's the placard. This unit is available on glamourtress.com for just 16 bucks, you guys. Like, I was shook it. 16 bucks. So as usual with my reviews, let's just jump right in. So as usual with my reviews, let's just jump right into it. I'll go over the specs on this unit and my pros and cons, so let's get started. So as I stated before, this is a half wig unit. There are 2 combs. There's one in the front and one in the back, and the hair type that I have it in is the coily 3C4A. So specs on this unit. So as I stated before, this is a half wig unit. So there's 1 comb in the front and 1 in the back. There are adjustable straps on this unit. I just pulled out a little bit of my hair up here to leave out and just kind of cover up that hump there from where the comb is, and I love it. I could actually take out a little bit more because I feel like the texture of this unit is really close to my natural hair texture. And speaking of texture, so on the placard it says that this unit comes in 3 different hair types. So it comes in curly, which is the 3B3C, coily, which is 3C4A, and kinky, which is the 4B4C. So I have it in the middle one, in the coily, so it's 3C4A, and this is what the texture is looking like. I definitely feel like this unit is big head friendly. I have a lot of room here on the side, and I have it on the tightest adjustable strap. I can definitely feel like I have some wiggle room here. What I usually do when I wear half wigs is I'll grab like bobby pins and I'll just put bobby pins here on the sides, just so I feel like it's a little bit more secure. I didn't do that right now just because I'm just reviewing. I'm not going outside or anything right now. I just got all dolled up for y'all. But yeah, so I usually do put like bobby pins here on the sides so that it just stays more secure. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, but I mean, I don't really see why you would straighten it unless like the curls started getting a little bit tangled or something like that. Then maybe you would want to like straighten it and then recurl it. I don't know. I've never tried that with like a unit that has this tight of curls. I have tried it with some other units, and generally speaking, if you straighten it, like, it's gonna straighten, but it's gonna be really hard to curl back up with synthetic units unless you like boil them. So that's just my own personal experience. So my pros for this unit, like, y'all, I swear this video is gonna be super short because I really don't have anything negative to say about this unit. I don't feel like it's too hot. It looks like a lot of hair, like it looks very big, and it is very big, but it doesn't feel hot to me right now. And I feel like this would be a wearable, like, this is doable for the summer. This is a doable style for me for the summer because it doesn't feel too heavy on my head and it doesn't feel like it's too much hair, even though it does look really big and like voluminous. I really like that it's minimal effort. Minimal effort. Like, I literally just pulled out, like, I grabbed my comb and just lifted some, because my hair is braided, just lifted some of my hair out in the front and then just kind of used some gel to like lay it a little bit flatter. And like I said before, I could definitely pull out more hair, and that would make it look even more natural. I just feel like this, I don't have anything negative to say about this unit. Like, I just feel like it's the perfect kind of like throw on, go-to protective style. You don't have to worry about straightening your leave out when you put it on. If you do find that you like buy one of the hair types, it just doesn't quite match your hair type exactly or perfectly, you could always do a braid out. It's bomb. Like, it's just bomb. And for $16, like, it's bomb. I think it's really gorgeous. You know what I would love to see though? I see a lot of these like kinky textured like units, half wigs and like full lace wigs that are like this length. I would kill for like a longer one, like hashtag hair goals, like one that's like at least to like my boobs. If I had this texture and longer, I would be so lit, like I would be unstoppable. But yeah, like I said, I absolutely love this unit. I don't have any cons yet. I do feel like this unit will probably get bigger over time, and it will probably tangle at the ends just because it is a curly unit and that's what happens. But I think that as far as it getting bigger, bigger. I just think that the bigger that it gets, the more natural that it'll look. And I felt this way about curly textured units for forever. Like the bigger that it gets, the more natural it looks. So I really, really love this. I love how defined the curls are in the front. It's just banging. It's just banging. Like, I love it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Give this video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. And as always, I'll leave links in the description box to this unit in particular, as well as all the links to my social media. Hint, hint. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.